Installing the Telematics device is a quick and simple process, completed within around 20 to 30 minutes in most heavy goods vehicles. The fuse box is located in the vehicle and the cover removed to allow access. The device is then secured to a fixed point, with the antenna facing upwards using additional cable ties. The wires are routed from the device to the fuse box and secured. A permanent 24-volt source is located and the wire stripped back to allow the red live cable to be connected, soldered and insulated. The same processes are repeated with both the black earth and the white ignition feed cables. After installation, the fuse box cover is fixed back into place.